So today is today. Right in front of me is Clay, and we're bringing the car home from his son's house over about 15 miles from here. And this is the first time the car has been out on a public road. We probably think about 20 years or so. And we just left his house, and we're about 1 mile into the trip. Now we got someone else in here. We will check back with you here in a minute as we're driving. There we go. We're back here. We got rid of that Lincoln SUV kind of vehicle. So now we can see it a little bit better here. We're doing good. Yeah, it took us a little while, but the car is back on the road. And we got it now in a condition. When we get here on that highway kind of thing, what we got, I will check back in here in a few seconds, minutes. So we're now on the highway, and we're doing about 55 here. I think Clay is picking up the pace now a little bit. 55, 60, that's what we're doing here. And we got now probably about 10 miles of this until we get to his house. We will check back in here, I would say, in a few minutes and see how it goes. Everything looks good. The Clay has worked its way up now to about 62 miles an hour. And I think we're, I don't know, 5 miles away from his house. So everything is going according to plan, pretty much halfway into our trip. And I will check back in a few seconds here, a few minutes. So we're about 3/4 into our trip now, and Clay has picked up the speed. We're at 65 now. That's the speed limit here. And we're doing just honky-dunky-dory. We should be arriving at our destination here in a few minutes. Actually, we're right there, Amity Avenue, 3/4 of a mile. So I'm gonna tape this. Let's see. We should be right there. This is our exit coming up here. See if everything is clear. We have no one else coming. No, we do. Good. So I'm gonna follow him now. So we made it. We're about a mile or so from his house right now. So the first car drive, the real drive on the highway and everything, went fine at maximum speed. We worked our way up here. And now we're getting to his house. So we made it after all this time. After we started out here, I'm going to just follow this. I'm not going to say anything. Then you will see what this looks like at here. Got a stop sign. Let's see. All right, we're stopped. Everything is clear. We can go. Alrighty. I'm about 2 blocks away from his house. And we're gonna have, I'm pretty sure, a very happy Clay. When I left, or before we left there, he was hesitant. He said, oh, we can get a tow truck. We're gonna tow the truck. I said, no. We call the tow truck if we break down on the road. And as you can see, we didn't. Alrighty, we're almost there. We haven't been here, this car hasn't been here since early December when he had it towed over to his son's garage. So, let me see where I can park. I think I'm gonna park here. And he's pulling up in his driveway. And I will park here. And now we're gonna congratulate our proud driver. Alrighty. Let me see. That was it. So now we have witnessed us. And now you can say hi to Clay. Ugh, I'm getting old. Can't get out of the car. So, if you remember this, this is where we started. Huh? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. We made it, buddy.
Oh my
We've made it.
goodness, Peter.
Now you're gonna say hi to our friends. Good show. Good show.
Yeah.
See, here's our master mechanic.
No, that's
He's
the
now
best
the,
way. Look,
the
turn the thing around.
Let
Look
me
at
see.
yourself. Look at yourself.
I don't know
Now,
if
there's the master mechanic right
I
here.
don't know if we
Here
can
he is
even
right
see
here. We did it, Peter.
Yeah,
we did it.
We did it, and everything went fine.
Oh man, it rolled like
Yeah.
a new car.
All right,
It rolled like
gotta have you in the picture.
It rolled like
Look,
a new
look how
car.
big he is. He's tall. I gotta go back and back. 6'5",
Right, man, that's
towering
car,
over
this
it.
car rolled like,
Yeah,
it
I
rolled like the
taped
Mercedes
it.
I had when I was back in the Lakers.
The
I felt,
Lakers.
I was rolling. I felt like I was playing for the Lakers again.
All right, and now we're gonna go eat.
Let's go eat.
We have no intro, but we're gonna go eat.
Let's go eat.
We're gonna
Let's
go
go
eat.
eat.
We
We'll
say
see y'all later.
we see you all later. You have a great day, and you witnessed the whole thing.
Yeah.
Thanks.